Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of the London turn. I just got here. Long drive, yeah, had to wake up early, stuff like that. So the drywall, the patching and stuff ended up drying up nicely. I'm just gonna sand that quickly and then I'm gonna start tackling this one bedroom in here. I'm gonna have to paint the entire thing probably, and so I should. Other than that, I did forget this at home. I forgot the new screen. My bad. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Start sanding, cleaning up, and then just paint over these areas that I've already done. The other walls look pretty good. Well, they look great actually. Back to new, really. All this. Other than that, just gotta sand that. I painted to about here. So after I sand this, clean up the dust, I'll just paint the rest of it, and I've already painted over here as well. Same thing here. I painted this wall. I painted all these walls, so I just gotta sand it, do a quick little paint over that stuff, and this whole area should be done. I can move on to the bedroom. Other than that screen repair, all the handles are good, electrical is good. I checked all that yesterday. In here I gotta recock the tub. I'm gonna try to fix that. That's loosey-goosey. And then one of the tenants also, that neighbor across the way there, has to get a new flush valve for her toilet. All right, I'll set you up and I'll start sanding away. All right, that's all the sanding for this room. I'll just take a damp cloth now and wipe down the areas. So I'm just packing up some of my stuff. I'm just running out of time, so I'm gonna have to come back one more time and paint the trim. All the painting's done for the walls in here. Kitchen plates are back on. All the walls are done. Out here is done. I've wiped down all the baseboards so I can actually see how bad they actually are. This place was very, very dirty. Crazy. Ashley didn't even have a chance to get it all. But yeah, so this room's all done. This was the worst room, but turned out pretty good. Got all the curtain rods back up. Everything's on, things like this. Like all these, I'm gonna have to paint all this trim. Sometimes you just wish you don't have to, but yeah, I hate painting. But it has to be done, so it is what it is. I've also cleaned out all the lights. All those lights, I took them off, cleaned them out. They're all good now. So I did one boo-boo right there. Oops. And then the last thing I'm gonna do today, I have to come back on a Saturday probably, but this faucet is just a slip-on. It's one of those slip-on kinds. This pipe's just too long. It's just sitting off the wall, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit. Trust Allen key set. Trustee Allen key set. Just gonna tighten up a little bit with that one. I've already taken my other tools out, so I have to do it this way. Couple little cranks with this guy. There you go. Now it's flush with the wall. It's not gonna, when I come back, obviously I got a silicone around that. But that's a lot better than it was. I was hanging out like an inch of room behind here. Alright guys, so I'm probably just gonna post this video, and then I don't know if I'll post the last one, but I'll record it and put the final for this. But that's gonna be, I start that other job tomorrow, so I gotta start that one. I'm gonna take the weekend off because I gotta relax my stomach, and I'll probably come back the weekend after on the Saturday. So that's, I think it's the 13th, and I have a potential tenant in here for the 15th. So kind of all works out. I can do my final walkthrough, clean everything up, get the painting done, all the finish caulking, and call it done. So yeah. I wish there was more hours in the day, but it looks good, and it's only going to look better with the final painting and everything I'm doing. Like little things like why? I don't know. All right, guys. Till next time or tomorrow, I'm gonna start that other basement job. So I'll be recording that. Might take a day off for editing and stuff, so. Alright guys, till next time, get it.